This is a mini project using ESP32 to control a relay module and DHT11 sensor, and to connect ESP32 to Wi-Fi network and control the same using Telegram bot. Here we have ESP32 connected to DHT11 sensor as well as relay module. The power supply for relay module is 5 volts from the ESP32 module. The power supply for DHT11 sensor is 3.3 volts, which is also taken from the ESP32 module. Both of the pins to control the sensor and the relay have been connected to pin number 16 and pin 32 of ESP32. The code uploaded on ESP32 is shown here. We are using Wi-Fi libraries, Universal Telegram Bot library and Arduino JSON library, as well as DHT sensor library. The relay module's output is connected to a mini waterfall showpiece. This is the serial monitor. On running the ESP32, first it starts connecting to the Wi-Fi network. After getting connected to the Wi-Fi network, it will send a message on Telegram which reads as hello and welcome. Your bot and ESP32 have been initialized. For more commands, I will send the command /start. Sending that command, we get a list of commands which are available to use. Those are temperature, humidity, and turning on and off the relay module. Sending the command of /temperature, we get the present room temperature as a message, which is being read using the DHT11 sensor and sent over Wi-Fi to the Telegram chat. Same way we get the humidity as well. Now turning on the relay module for the waterfall decoration showpiece. On sending waterfall on, we can see that the relay module has switched on and the waterfall has turned on. On sending waterfall off, the relay module has switched off and the waterfall decoration stops.